Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do makeup hauls, we do live streams, giveaways, we do a lot of fun stuff here. As far as the unboxings, we do beauty, lifestyle, fashion, home decor, accessories, a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Now, as you can see from the title, today we have the My Fashion Crate for February 2020. Now, My Fashion Crate is a subscription where you receive accessories and clothing. You could receive jewelry, just kind of a little bit of everything. And I have their like top tier box or bag here, and this is $49.99. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. They do have other tiers that are cheaper, where you can get like just some accessories, and then their middle tier you could get accessories and like one piece of clothing. This one usually has two pieces, so that is always fun. But yeah, we'll go ahead and dive in. Again, this is My Fashion Crate for February 2020. I do want to say thank you so very much to My Fashion Crate for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it. So let's dive in here and see what we got. They pack it full. That is for sure. Okay, so that is everything. They usually always have a card, so let me find that. Oh, right here. All right, so we have here everything that goes over all of our items. All right, so we are just gonna kind of start here. Let's see. We'll start here with this because I was able to find it very easily. And this is a Weave Tassie bar bracelet. You can see right here. This classic handmade bracelet from Weave Tassie is crafted with pink thread. Thanks to its durable and versatile design, it can truly be worn anytime, anywhere to infuse any look with a touch of boho chic flair. This is an $11 value. So I do like that it has the adjustable wrist that you don't actually have to like clasp. I love bracelets like that. So we have that to start us off. And then I again have said in so many videos that scrunchies are making a comeback, and yet again we have another scrunchie. I'm telling you, it's like 2020 is the year of the scrunchie, okay? And this is a super cute one. This is a ribbed bow hair tie. This bow hair accessory is such an adorable choice for your ponytails. You can easily tie it at any length for the perfect adjustable style. You can style this as a hair accessory, wrap it around your wrist, or tie it to your purse for a must-have detail. It's so versatile, and this is a $7 value, and you could have gotten this in like various colors. I'm actually really happy with this color, but I think that is so cute, and it's almost like a corduroy material, if you can see there. Really like it. All right. And then this is unique. I have not seen a sponge like this. And this is a blending sponge brush. This teardrop shaped sponge brush hybrid is perfect for contour. The pointed tip helps provide an effortless blend for your cream products, so you're left with a beautiful, perfected finish ready to take on the day. And this is valued at $6. So yeah, this is, it says makeup is art, beauty is passion. And this is from Offa Beauty, O-F-F-A. It is so unique. I do have to give it that as far as, let's see if we can get it out of here. I don't know if y'all saw that, but something just shot across the room. Okay. If you're new, welcome to Southern Mom. All right, so here it is. So it feels, I mean, it's dense, and it does, I'm honest, I'm pulling, kind of pulling, and it does seem to be connected well. So, I mean, could definitely do, I do like with having the handle, you could definitely do really good with contour. So that is unique. I really do. I like that actually. At first I was kind of like, but actually getting it out of the package after flying something across the room, I do like it. All right, and then we have, this is an eyeshadow palette, and this is from Laritzi Cosmetics. I think I've only ever seen lip products from Laritzi. Let me know down below if you've seen anything other than lip products, but this is an eyeshadow palette from them. As I'm saying, you get a little bit of everything in this box. It's really great, the variety they put in. So this is the Athena. Let me hold it up over here so you can see. This is the Athena eyeshadow palette. This goddess-inspired palette offers the perfect mix of neutral and bold. These buttery shadows make it incredibly easy to blend out for a natural, effortless finish. Features 4 rich matte shades and 5 satin shimmer shades, and this is $48. So let's see what it looks like. So the actual package looks the same. Oh, now this is very, very pretty. When you open it up, there is a very nice mirror, and it has like the gold leaf going around. It's very pretty, and thinking of Athena and Goddess, it works really well. These are some really, really pretty shades. Like, they are really, really pretty. Atlas, Fate, Calypso, Hero, Goddess, Odyssey, Justice, Airs, Nox. So there is the palette. I'm not going to swatch it just because I don't know yet if I'll end up putting this into a future giveaway or if I'll hold on to it. Either way, I think it is a gorgeous palette, and to receive this in a box to me is awesome. All right, and then our final 2 items are clothing items. So let's go ahead and we will start here with this one. And this is super cute and like, okay. So this is just a cream cardigan. I like the detail at the bottom. And then I like the sleeve detail and the type of sleeves that it has. Lovely cream cardigan. This cream cardigan is so wonderfully cuddly. That's what I was thinking. I just really like the way it looks. And the warm and snuggly material is perfect for a chilly day. Just add a graphic tee, jeans, and stylish tall boots for a warm and toasty look. And it's $45. And that literally described the perfect outfit. Except for me, it would be flip-flops because I'm that girl. All right, and then we have one more product here. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is like just adorable. Okay, so you can see it's just like a really pretty plum-ish colored shirt. It's got a pocket right here, which I really like that detail. You see that? And then you see the sleeves with the little button detail. But you guys, the back of this shirt, you see the buttons going down? And then guess what? Surprise! Your booty's covered in polka dots. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what it says about this. Oh my goodness. Mauve polka dot top. This sweet top is such a romantic choice. We love the trendy mauve color paired with the polka dots in the back. It's simply the sweetest. Just pair this gorgeous top with booties and a cute bracelet set for a must-have look. Value is $38. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. It is so soft, and the back just kind of, where the front, you know, is cute but looks kind of casual, and then it's like casual in the front, party in the back, like a mullet. Business in the front, party in the back. So we got that, we got the cardigan, we got the Weave Tassie bracelet, we got the Laritzi Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, we got the like almost perfect, let me see, could almost be the perfect shade match with that scrunchie. The blending brush, you guys, this box was amazing. I really think this is probably one of my favorites ever for my fashion crate, and I've unboxed this quite a few times. So I'll actually go ahead and put down here the total value of this month's box so you guys can see. Let me know what you thought down below. Like I said, I will put a link to my fashion crate if you would like to check them out and sign up down below in the description box as well. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.